Hi there guys, I'm Jake from the Features Daily. Today I'm going to review this best-selling fitness tracker. Right now it's not Fitbit, it's not Samsung, and it's not Apple. It is this fitness tracker that's the hottest smart tracker out there. The device is called the KoreTrak. Now, with this new smartwatch you can do many things. It tracks your steps, shows your messages, it's water resistant, tracks your health, monitors your sleep, and has an alert function. And it does pretty much everything that you'd expect from a high-quality smartwatch. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. You can see the KoreTrak box is similar to how Apple makes its packaging, pretty and clean. Okay, let's take out the device. Okay, great. Now the band. The band already feels very nice. A little message from the KoreTrak team. There's the user manual. And that's what you find at the KoreTrak box. If you're wondering how to charge this device, you're up for a surprise. If you look at the back, this is actually how you would charge the device. KoreTrak has this USB charger on its side. Let's take my iPad charger and plug the device in. There you go. You can charge it with any USB charger you have at home. It's a great solution and it saves you the headache of having many different chargers for all your devices. Putting together the KoreTrak smartwatch is easy. To put the band in, you squeeze it in sideways and it will snap right on. There you go. Now let's do the other one. That's how you put the KoreTrak band. Now let's try to put the smartwatch on my hand and see how it feels. Okay. KoreTrak just sits on my wrist. It has the feeling of a high-quality device. I'm quite impressed actually. To set up your KoreTrak fitness tracker, you need to download the DayBand app. The app works with both Android and Apple smartphones. I've already downloaded the DayBand app and it looks like this. After you launch the app for the first time, it will ask you to sign up. It's time to pair our device. To do that, we need to tap the Bind Bracelet button. It says searching. Let's tap the device. Now let's select it on the smartphone. There you go. As you can see, KoreTrak has dozens of functions. Step count, sleep tracking, heart rate, and even blood pressure. It also tracks your physical activities like walking, running, cycling, and many others. Other functions include finding your bracelet, taking pictures, and doing other things. I didn't expect much of KoreTrak, but now I must admit I'm really impressed with this little device. This just doesn't feel cheap. This feels solid and sturdy. This feels and looks like Fitbit or Samsung could have made it. After nearly 5 days, it's still at 65%. So KoreTrak will definitely last you a week if not more. After using it for 5 days, I can say it sat really well on my wrist. Most of the time I didn't really notice it. If you're looking for an affordable smart tracker with all the necessary functions, KoreTrak is the one you should buy. It's built really well, it can do lots of things, and the battery life is just outstanding. If you enjoyed my review and consider buying KoreTrak, now you can get it with a 50% discount. To get 50% off, just click our discount link down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Features Daily channel, and thank you guys for watching.